I'm wearing a new t-shirt that I got in Bishop Chatard. That's where I'm going to high school. Alright, it's just now 11 o'clock. They should be going off any minute now. It is now almost past 11 o'clock. And I'm really pissed off with the people at the weather center. Turn on the tornado sirens. You're supposed to be testing them. You guys are idiots. Turn them on. Yes! Alright. Yep, you can hear the one at the Faith Presbyterian Church. That one also takes forever to wind down, and it's really annoying. Yes, I've been waiting to get a video of the siren testing.